Hi guys, welcome to the second part. This is the second part to the Bizarre Batman. This is white costume suit. Looks pretty cool. I like the color scheme. It looks really cool. It's got a bit of grey and white, and his utility belt is blue. Got a bit of goggles on his head sculpt. Pretty cool. Symbol there. This is a really disappointing part. It's the same fucking cape from the other one. Pardon my French, but this is so fucking cheap with them. The wool, same fucking wool. It's black. Ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Yeah, but it does look cool though, and you can see his gauntlet over here again. His back gauntlet, and yeah. So let's talk about articulation. Same thing, left to right, 360. No up and down, unfortunately. They're really cheap how they did this metal. You could do a much better job. 360 on the waist. Articulation on his leg, but not up and down. Excuse me. Oh. Just some articulation on his head. Up and down. It's pretty cool. And that's about it, guys. It's kind of loose there. Okay. And his accessory, it's like a big fucking silver. It's huge. It's fucking crazy. So let's put this on his hand here. I'm trying to put it in. Okay. Bear with me, guys. I'm trying to put this in. Oh, gotcha. No, wrong thing. Gotcha. That was not easy to put on. Alright, let's put the hand a bit down so it's not really steady with the accessory there here though. It's really cheap, bro. Trying to make him stand. Alright. So there you go. Looks pretty cool figure. Kind of disappointed with this one. I'm disappointed with the other ones, but at least they had something. But you know, but every time the Bat-7 is a bit smaller or bigger, so you know, it depends on the figure. So yeah, that's a cool thing. But anyway, yeah, that's about it on this figure. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. More will be coming right after this. So yeah, okay, peace.